What in the hell? I don't know what the hell happened here, but we're replacing this side. Nothing on that side. So, start taking out screws. Do this. There's the trailer, quite a haul, but we'll make it work. Hey, get the fuck to work.
I turn that off.
So there's screws under or some shit. Let's do that for now.
Follow Rooftops on TikTok.
Hey. I'm gonna stand cut myself. Shit, this shit's not very sturdy. One more. Okay. I yanked my damn shoulder out of place or something. I stepped on that and it broke. Ouch. I'm all good though. Got it open. So I'm gonna cut this out and show you guys. It all cut out. Now we're just gonna pull this off. Just gonna get this. Cut off all the plastic. It's all ready to go. So as you can see, there's a lot of caulking oozing out. Up in there, before we put it all the way up, we're actually gonna go with more caulking to put it between the shingle and the skylight itself. Pushed it all up in there, got the caulking in there. I'm also gonna run caulking up under this and nail all this off. Guys, so pretty much all done here. Got caulking all above the top of this entire skylight, as well as in between the skylight and every single shingle, as well as in between each individual shingle itself. So no way water can get into this. Got caulking under the entire skylight, as you guys seen. Now relax. Caulked every single nail. I don't know why I put so many. Probably wasn't necessary, but looks nice, I guess. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Alright guys, this is how you cut out a vent. So first, I'll make a mark right here, which I already did, right there as well. Put it on. Use this side as a stencil. Cut it. Just like that. Lift up these shingles so I don't cut the bottom. Just like that. I only cut out 6 inches for the hole. Slide this right up. Just like that. Come over here. Put a nail in each hole right here. Then what I do is lift this. Put a nail there. Lift it. Nail there. Nail there. Same on the other side. There you go. Put it next here if you want. That's how you do it. there's no hole here, so today I'm gonna be cutting in venting right here. First, what you want to do is get this shit under the shingles you're gonna be cutting open. It's right there for me. Now mark mine out. Put this on top. Use this to cut a line. Use this side. So obviously there's no hole, but we're gonna make one. Before that though, I'm gonna get this red nail bar, pull up any nails that are gonna be in the way. None there. One here. This nail out. One here. Another one there. Alright, now I just now get this saw. You only want to cut open a 6-inch wide hole. So that's what I'm going to do. For anyone saying my vents are gonna leak, this isn't gonna leak. There's no way, because this has a whole 6 inches before water can get up in there. Not to mention the bottom's right along with this, so water's gonna go hit the shingle before it can go up. There's no way this is ever gonna leak. So you guys need to chill on me. Stop being such haters. You guys don't know what you're talking about. Just like that. That's how you do it. I don't have no air, but just nail it on.